You are not tired because you worked too hard. You are tired because even when you stopped, your mind didn't. It's Sunday afternoon. The emails have stopped. The house is quiet. Nothing is demanding your attention. And yet, you feel uneasy. Your chest feels tight. Your thoughts start racing. A voice in your head whispers, "You wasted today. You're falling behind. You should be doing more." Tell me, why does resting feel like a crime? What you're feeling has a name: productivity guilt. But this isn't just a bad habit. This is conditioning, a program installed in your mind years ago. From childhood, you were taught a simple equation. Your worth equals your output. Good grades, you're valuable. Busy, you're important. Productive, you matter. And slowly, without realizing it, you learned something dangerous. Love must be earned. Rest must be justified. And doing nothing? That feels like failure. Now you don't need a boss anymore, because the boss lives inside your head, always watching, always judging, always counting. Even when you sit down to relax, you're not really relaxed. You're checking the time, thinking about what you should be doing. Even in bed, your body is still, but your mind is working overtime. This voice has convinced you of one thing: that rest is a reward, something you must earn. But here's the trap. The work never ends. The list is never complete, so you never feel like you've earned it. But there's something deeper, something you don't like to admit. Busyness is not just productivity, it's escape. As long as you're busy, you don't have to feel. You don't have to sit with your thoughts. You don't have to face your fears. You don't have to question your life. Because silence is uncomfortable. In silence, there are no distractions, just you and your truth. And maybe that's what scares you the most. So, how do you stop this? First, you see the lie. You are not a machine. Machines are valued for output. Humans are not. Machines break when they stop. Humans heal when they stop. That guilt you feel? It's not truth. It's conditioning trying to survive. So today, do nothing. Sit in the silence. Feel the discomfort. And notice, the world didn't end. You didn't fall apart. You are still here. And maybe for the first time, you realize you never had to earn your existence.